Charlie Babbitt thought he was moving on the fast track to success.
They'll be here on Tuesday, all right? Thanks, Jeff. I love myself.
Mr. Babbitt, line 3. Mr. Babbitt, line 3.
Until he found out about something he hadn't quite bargained for.
Charlie, it was your father's dying wish that you be reunited with your brother.
Raymond, this is your brother Charlie.
Charlie Babbitt. Charlie Babbitt.
So what am I supposed to do, flying back to Los Angeles with me?
No, Raymond doesn't fly. But he left you something else.
Doctor, do you know what's wrong with Raymond?
Uh-oh. Jeffrey on 12 minutes. Uh-oh. Gotta get home.
All right, Raymond.
Gotta get home. Jeffrey's on 12 minutes.
What's 2 times 3, Raymond?
6.
Wait, Raymond. What is the square root of 98?
9.89949366661. Definitely one. Oh, Jeffrey, on 11 minutes.
Raymond,
Gotta get back.
It's all right, we'll be on later. Come on, Raymond, we just got here.
Charlie, your brother's autistic. He's addicted to trains.
Can I get you guys anything else?
All right.
4. Definitely 4.
Dad used to bring me down here all the time when we were little. Told me that the train man would come.
Raymond, there's a lot more to life than just choo-choo trains.
Charlie, do you love him? Then you have to do what's best for Raymond.
My grandma